Hello everybody, how are we all? Paul79 here, I hope you're safe and well. As for me, I'm absolutely knackered. It's Saturday night, it's 7 o'clock, according to the Porsche clock. And I've just got back from roughly a 400 mile round trip in the white car, in the RS, because I went to the National Kit Car Show today. I wasn't going to go because they've moved it this year. It used to be in Stoney, which is near Birmingham, which is not too, well, it's still a couple of hours from me, but they've moved it to a place called Malvern, which is near Wales. Lovely part of the country, but for me, it's quite a long way to get to. And I wasn't going to go, but then I thought, well, Kit Cars with Paul79 has got to go to the biggest kit car show in Europe, hasn't he? So, and I'm glad I did because, you know, it was a great show. Lots of cars there. I met up with some old friends, old faces, met some new friends, and it was really good. Set off at 6:30 this morning, driving the RS. Didn't miss a beat. It was actually, you know, because I don't really do long journeys in that car. Because it's not one of those sort of cars, but you know, when you have to do them, it performs. It was impeccable. I was really impressed with it, really, to be fair. You know, a lot of it is all motorway, straight roads, and it drove really nice, you know. No rattles, no bumps. So, you know, if you're thinking about doing one of these cars, you know, underneath you've got a very sort of solid, great car in the Porsche Boxster. And it was really good. So yeah, it was 3 hours there, 3 hours back. Got there about 9, left at 3, so 6 hours. So it's been a good old 12-hour shift. But no, it was worth it. It was really good. The weather was great. I think my wife says I've caught the sun. Obviously, I didn't put sun cream on, but no, all good. And I've got an Indian takeaway on order, so I'll be looking forward to that, and all day to be fair. And I've got a beer because I think I deserve one after all that driving. But yeah, no, it was really good. I put my car on the DNA Owners Club stand because I'm sort of a member of that group, you know, obviously when I had the Ferrari. And yeah, it was there was 6 cars on that stand, and 3 of them were actually GT3 RSs, and it was really nice to see 3 of them all lined up, because I think there's only 4 on the road in the UK at the moment. I might be wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong, because the more the merrier. But yeah, there's it was nice to see you know, Roland and Sammy and his 2 boys. And my car next to each other, so it was really good, and it's nice to compare notes and catch up with old friends. So a couple of shout outs. So first of all, I met a nice guy called Mark early on in the day, and we had a nice chat about the cars and all that. And yeah, he very kindly lent me £1 to put in the charity box that came around at the time, because I didn't have any cash on me. So thank you very much, Mark. That was really nice of you. Shout out to Yuli and his beautiful wife Maya, sorry, and his boy Ryan. Again, they came up. They saw me at Adam Sea Fest, and they came up again today. So yeah, lovely to see you guys. It's good to have a chat again. Andy, hello mate. Nice to finally meet you. I've talked to you a lot on the old WhatsApp and stuff. And best of luck with your build, and also Richard. And I'm sorry that we didn't have more chance to talk. And then obviously the old faces that were there, Wayne and Claire, John, James, JJ, Stuart and Anne, lovely. Thank you for looking after me. It was good. But yeah, had a really good day. I obviously displayed the old Lego. That always, you know, gets the crowds going. I love that. That gets more attention, I think, than the actual real car. But yeah, so the Lego is still in one piece, and I tried out the thing I made in the front boot for real. And when I got there after driving 200 miles, it wasn't in pieces. So it obviously works. And yeah, so I'm yeah, a bit tired now. I just want to give another shout out to my friend Neil. He actually owns MK Sportscars and he lives really close to me. And he was up there displaying his business, and it was a fantastic display. He had 4 cars up there, TVs, you know, in his words, a market stall, and it was really good. And those cars, some of that business he's built up is fantastic, and he's a really nice guy. And those cars, they're like Caterham Severns, that sort of kit car. It's not something I would want to do personally, because because I don't think I could really fit my bum in them. But what he's got, he lives near me, and it is just fantastic, very impressive. And I hope you have a very successful weekend, Neil, and shout out to everyone at MK Sportscars, and thanks very much. I think her name was Sam. She got me a beer, so thank you very much for that. So yeah, so what we're going to do now is I'm just going to show you sort of the GoPro footage that I sort of filmed. It's obviously quite GT3 RS based, but I did have a walk around the whole sort of complex filming things. There's some nice cars there, lots of Cobras, they look nice. In the actual exhibition hall, there was a nice GT40 as well, which I was quite tempted by. I certainly picked up the brochure, but again, I'm just a bit worried whether I could actually fit in one of them, because ultimately, when I retire, I would quite like to do a kit car where you actually construct and put in the engine as well, as opposed to the rebodies. But you know, there's a few years before I retire, unfortunately. So there you go. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the videos, the cars that I'm about to show, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye.
It seems to be getting worse these days.
Oh, I'm the same.
The big fan of the travel lodge tonight. The winner of today's 3 rounds will get paid. Whoa. So each rider is going to do a trick, come up onto the box after they're all done, and we're going to vote for who our favourite is by way of applause. So whilst they warm up, can I get you guys warm? Let's hear a level 2 clap. Let's get 2 fingers together. Let's do a little cricket clap. Yeah, that's it. Let's go out to level 4, hands together. Let's get an actual. Come on, you guys over here. Yeah, that's it. Let's go to level 6 and clap it a bit though. Let's go to level 8 and go! Right, level 10, Boris Johnson's gone. Fuel prices are back down. Brexit's
did most of it, but the engine got
Oh my lord, a double!
I didn't look at the price.
So I got back about an hour ago from the kit car show, and I must say the car don't look. Hey! Right, you're going on that.
On what?
On the video. Go on, say something, Joe.
Top of the range Mercedes here, B class.
Yeah.
60,000 miles.
Yeah.
60 to the gallon, good runner.
Yeah.
Porsches.
I know, they're a waste of money, aren't they?
Yeah. Boys and their toys.
Oh, yeah. I'll send you the link. So yeah, like I said before, I was rudely interrupted. Just got back about an hour ago, and it don't look too bad in terms of down the sides. Oh, it is quite clean at the back, but anyway, it ran really well. I was really pleased with it. It was really quite comfortable. It's just at the front here, you can see. Put a brand new number plate on there. Look at all those flies I've collected. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.